Hey?
Yes, I'm fine.
Alright, give me 1 second. 2 King 2 3, do you have a plate? Was it just you in the car? You called? Hi. Okay, just letting you know my body cam is on. What happened?
I was turning here and I just swerved off.
Where were you turning from?
From here.
From right here? Which direction were you going?
I'm coming this way.
So
I was in that lane and this lane come up.
So you were going which direction? You were coming southbound? And you were in what lane? This
Middle.
one? Middle?
Middle.
Where were you turning to?
Into that lane.
Why were you turning into that lane?
Because I'm trying to make that right.
So were cars backed up over here?
No.
Why did you come into that lane so early if cars weren't backed up over here?
You know what? Don't fuck with me.
No, I'm
seriously.
just... No, ma'am. Hey,
No.
you need to stay here, okay?
No, seriously.
I'm only just trying to figure out what happened.
I was trying to make a turn.
Okay.
And this guy came up on me.
Front head on with you? Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, I have all of that, but you want to know something?
What?
I'm not answering
Right
your
here,
question.
the entire tone of the encounter changes. What started as a routine crash investigation is quickly turning into a legal standoff. Refusing to answer questions is a constitutional right, but walking away while an officer is actively investigating, that's a decision that can escalate the situation in seconds.
Answering your question.
All right, well, you're not free to leave. Come here, ma'am. 2 King 2 3. She's walking away from me. Ma'am. Ma'am, stop.
No.
Stop. Stop. Right now, you're going to be detained, okay?
What's going on?
Am I under arrest?
Well, you're being detained right now.
Okay.
All right. Let's walk over here over to my car, okay?
Yeah, no, I'm not doing that.
You had your hand on it.
Oh, thanks.
I just want to make sure there's nothing in there that's going to harm my partners.
Yeah, no, thanks.
Okay. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights?
Thank you.
Ma'am, do you understand your rights? Okay,
This is the
walk up to
moment everything becomes official. Once the officer announces the arrest, every move matters. From this point forward, anything said or done can become evidence. Did emotions just make this situation dramatically worse? Watch what happens next.
We're gonna walk up to the back of the vehicle. Turn to the. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on? What's happening? What is this right now?
Are you arresting me?
Yes, right now you're under arrest. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me release one.
No, is there a way that we can just? All right. I would really prefer to not cut your bag. Okay, so I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs for a second, but I need you to be chill. If we're not gonna be chill, I'm gonna have to cut your bag. Okay?
You're yelling in my ear.
I'm not yelling.
Yelling.
You're yelling
Fine.
right now.
Okay, good.
Oh. All I'm asking is that you just be cool while we take you out of handcuffs for a second.
Well, you just get really. You're disgusting.
Well, that's not very nice.
You're not very nice.
Why am I? You don't even know me.
Get me out of these handcuffs.
No, you're under arrest right now. I'm not taking you out of handcuffs.
I don't really give a shit.
Okay.
You got to hold on her.
Yeah, I do.
Do you have extra gloves in your
You
car?
gotta hold on
You
me.
do? Where at?
Okay.
I have them in my pocket if you need.
What pocket?
It's in my side pocket in the back part of it.
Well, you just spread my leg.
Ma'am. Oh, I got them right here. Hey,
Oh,
Oh, here we go.
back pocket.
Here
there you
we
go.
go.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Ma'am, stop. Please
Stop
stop.
it, you guys.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke, stick, cut, hurt me at all? I would really prefer that you answer that. It's a simple question, that's all. I just want to make sure that I don't get stuck with anything. Do you have a shirt on underneath your jacket? Sweatshirt? Do you have anything else on you? Anything?
You search her? Okay. She going in your car?
Yeah.
Do you want to search her to confirm?
Okay.
Now
Yeah,
the reason
if,
behind the arrest is finally revealed. DUI. Officers also perform a safety search before transport, not as punishment, but to make sure no weapons or dangerous items enter the patrol car. It's standard procedure, even if it feels uncomfortable.
Okay. Yeah. If she's gonna come with me, I'll do the search. I'm gonna show up.
Getting wine drunk on a fucking Wednesday
anything in your
evening? Hell
pockets?
yeah.
Anything in your pockets, ma'am? Nothing that's gonna stick or poke or anything like that?
So right now you are under arrest for DUI, okay?
Okay. You got it real quick. I'm gonna do this. Ma'am, see the back of my hand? I'm gonna be doing a groin sweep, okay?
You the witness?
Yeah. I'm not so much witness. Let's leave me out of the witness as far as seeing it happen. I'm jogging down the other side here.
Yeah.
And she's getting out right after she went in. And she's basically gets up and I go, are you okay? Actually, she was right actually on the other side. So she probably got back. I don't know what she was doing, but...
Like she was on the passenger side?
She's on the passenger side, yeah. Passenger side. So I'm running by. But her door was open. I'm pretty sure on the driver's side.
Okay.
So I asked what happened. She goes, went into the ditch, and she kind of started like giving me a hug, like oh thank you. And then she started walking out into the lane of traffic, and it's like, no, let's go back over here. Let's not right now. She just didn't seem with it, and I could smell what seemed to me, the best of my record, alcohol. And then I just kind of followed her. She was walking through it.
So you never saw the car go into the ditch?
No, I can't be
while you were on your
saying,
run, you saw her in the passenger side?
She told me
and then she told you that she was driving?
She was driving,
okay.
yeah.
I got all the witness info. I got a tow coming for the car.
Got anything in those pockets?
Were you down a bunch? You want me to take this part? I'm assuming she refused everything.
Nothing in the pockets that I can see.
Do you want me to lift this?
Notice
Lift
how
my-
the officer stays surprisingly calm despite the insults. That's often a deliberate tactic to keep the encounter from spiraling further. But every emotional outburst can shape how the entire incident is viewed later, in court and by the public.
No.
Lift my
No, you're good. You're good, man.
Fuck you guys.
Why are you being such a little meanie pants right now? What's
Why
going
are
on?
you guys?
It's not nice.
Why are we?
Why are you guys?
I don't see any other pockets.
Why are we, guys?
I feel good. Let me just
Come on,
check
finish
out-
your sentence.
I can check out.
Really?
All right, man.
All right, have a seat in the car.
Go ahead and have a
I'd
seat.
love to. Don't snot on me.
Everything in the back of the car is being audio video recorded, okay?
Wonderful. Don't snot on me
I'm not gonna
anymore.
snot on you, ma'am.
Thanks. Don't
Is that
snot
comfortable
on
for
me.
you?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
Thanks.
I want to make sure that it's
Don't
comfortable for you,
snot
okay?
on me. Get out of my face. Oh my God, you're snotting on me again.
It's just cold out, ma'am.
No, get out of my face.
I will in just a moment, okay?
Please, quit snotting on me.
I don't believe I am, ma'am.
Yeah, I do believe you are, ma'am.
Is that
No,
comfortable
it's,
for
no,
you?
it's not.
Officer Hallenbeck, let's close the door.
No, it's not.
I don't care. Cool.
You want the key to go with the vehicle or her?
The vehicle.
So you have the right to remain silent. You have the right at this time to an attorney. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. If you're under the age of 18, anything you say can be used against you in a juvenile court prosecution for a juvenile offense. Can also be used against you in an adult court criminal prosecution if the juvenile court decides that you are to be tried as an adult. You have the right to talk to an attorney before answering any questions. You have the right to have an attorney present during the questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost if you so desire. You can exercise these rights at any time. Do you understand these rights?
Shut my door.
Is that a yes? Or a no?
Shut my door.
I got more stuff to read you. I'm sorry. I do. I'm sorry. I'm doing my job. Why are you so angry? I feel like we've been nice to you, and you're just yelling a bunch. I don't know why. All right. So warning: you are under arrest for RCW 46.61.502 or RCW 46.61.504, driving or being in actual physical control of a motor vehicle while under the influence of intoxicating liquor and/or drugs. Further, you are now being asked to submit to a test of your breath, which consists of 2 separate samples of your breath, taken independently to determine alcohol concentration. Your driver's license, permit, or privilege to drive will be suspended.
Here's one of the
revoked,
most important legal moments. The officer is reading the implied consent warning, explaining the consequences of refusing a breath test. Many drivers don't realize that saying no can trigger serious license penalties, even before a criminal
privilege to
conviction.
drive will be suspended, revoked, or denied.
Officer, am I under arrest?
Yes, you are, ma'am.
Okay, so shut my door. Thank you.
I
Shut my
gotta
door.
remember how I just said I gotta
You-
read you something?
You just told me.
All right. Your
I'm
refusal
under
to submit to
arrest.
this test may be
Shut
used in a
my
criminal trial.
door.
You are further advised that if you submit to this breath test and the test is administered, your
Officer,
driver's
am
license
I
permit
under
or
arrest?
privilege to drive will be suspended,
Officer,
revoked, or
am I
denied
under
by the Department of
arrest?
Licensing for at least 90
Officer,
days if you are
am
age
I
21.
under arrest?
Did I just answer that question?
Officer, am I under arrest?
Did I just answer that question?
Officer,
Ma'am,
am I under arrest?
did I just answer that?
You're not even asking me. Officer, am I under arrest?
I just answered that.
Officer,
Do you remember what I just said?
am I under arrest?
So remember about 30 seconds ago when you asked
Yeah,
me that.
and
what did I
remember
and
about
what did I
like
say?
30 seconds ago, I'm asking you if I'm under arrest?
Yep, I do remember that. And do you remember
Then answer me.
Do you remember what my answer was? Because I already answered you. I've already answered you twice, actually.
Shut my door.
No, because
Shut it.
I got to read you some more stuff. Why are you being such a meanie pants? You're being a meanie pants McGee right now, and I don't know why.
Oh, what?
A meanie pants. Yeah, I said it. Yep, I said it. I did. I know. I feel like we're two adults. We can just talk to each other. But you're yelling at me.
Shut the door.
Being rude.
Shut the door.
Asking me questions over and over.
Shut the door.
And remember how I just said I gotta read you some stuff? I'm gonna keep reading you some stuff, and then I'm gonna close your door, okay? If your driver's license, permit, or privilege to drive is suspended, revoked, or denied, you may be eligible to immediately apply for an ignition interlock driver's license. You have the right to additional tests administered by any qualified person of your own choosing. For those not driving a commercial motor vehicle at the time of arrest, if your driver's license is suspended or revoked, your commercial driver's license, if any, will be disqualified. Will you submit to a breath test?
Officer, am I under arrest?
Have I answered that question?
Am I under arrest?
Didn't I just answer that?
Am I under
I
arrest?
already answered that.
No,
Whoa.
thanks.
Whoa. Potty mouth. Ma'am, watch your language.
Oh, and what did you just say, little tick, 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 tick?
She's
And that's the final takeaway. What began as a traffic collision ended with multiple criminal charges. One difficult situation turned into a much bigger legal problem, proving that every decision made during a police encounter can have lasting consequences.
She's angry. Oh my goodness. So we don't need to take photos. So all of this stuff can all just go down to the jail with her. I'm gonna check this. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we're the bad guys because people really hate when they're faced with the consequences of their own.